Mr. Bobby. I want to simulate how to pronounce all vowels for your final test. Okay, I will start. I will start with a front vowel. Okay, the first E. I, uh, A. I. And with the example, E. The example is eagle. E. The example is sit. A. The example is friend. A. The example wave. I. The example mat. Okay, and the second for the back vowel. Okay, I will start. Ooh. The example is boot. And then ooh. The example put. Oh. The example boat. R. The example coat. Okay, and the last for central vowel. And they are The example is earth. R. The example is cut. And then the example is about. Okay, uh, the finish the video, and I hope I'm doing well in this the video. And thank you, Mr. Bobby, and bye.